Hi friends, I was asked to do another video about our Trello portfolio. First, I thought I'd tell you I do have a few other videos, and I'll just go ahead and link them up in this video a few times, and then I'll also link them in the description in case you want to go check those out. But this is also going to be part of the how-tos playlist, which all the Trello videos are on. So this is our 2023 homeschool portfolio on Trello. We've been using Trello, I believe, for 3 years. Possibly like 3.5. And we school January to December, just like the calendar year, which makes it really, really easy to organize things. Now, we're in Utah, so we don't actually have to keep a portfolio, but in case we decided to move to another state or for my own personal records or, if state laws happen to change here, we already have a portfolio on here. It's really, really easy to use, and I go through setting up a homeschool portfolio in those other videos. So like I said, I'll link those in this video and in the caption, so you can go ahead and check those out for yourself. I do just one portfolio for both of my kids, and when my other one is old enough for school, he'll be added to the same one as well. So this is the January to December 2023 homeschool portfolio, and I'm just going to give a quick breakdown of the cards I have here. So these are, let's see if this will pull up for you. Here you go. So this is a list. And each list has a group of cards. So we have our routine list, which does change. And since it's almost spring, I'm going to go ahead and change these just aesthetically. I mean, it doesn't really matter necessarily, but it matters to me because I like it to be beautiful on here. Then I've got the terms and weeks list, which if you can see in my journal here, I move everything over to my journal that we have finished, like our break week, January 30th, term 1, term 2 is all in here. And so these ones are ones that I have not put the attachments in or that we haven't finished yet. So break week, March 5th to 10th, I just need to fill out, and then I'll move that over to the journal. Term 3 is what we're in right now, so I'll put all the stuff in there. But let me just give you a brief look into the card. Open card, and I have a card for each term and each break week. We have a break week after every term, and every term is 4-ish weeks. So in here you'll see sometimes I'll add in a description, sometimes I won't. And then I just add a bunch of attachments, videos of things that we've done, pictures of things that we've done throughout the week. I'll include pictures of the planner we're using. And sorry, my computer's being really slow right now. I think I need to clean it up. But here's the gist of what is in here, and that's what's in each card. Then I also have a list of books that we're reading, books that just my son is reading, just my daughter is reading. Now, the completed list is different from the journal list. The journal list includes anything that has photos or videos or proofs for the portfolio to be in it. And the completed list is just simply things that we've done. Maybe I made a checklist of math standards I wanted to finish or anything like that, but I did not include any proofs, any pictures or anything like that. That goes to completed instead of journal. Now, you can just have one, but I like to have both of those. I also have a standards and goals list over here, which I did just move a bunch of them over here because my kids just passed a bunch of standards off. So I'm actually going to be adding more over here really quick. But this is just a breakdown of our digital portfolio. We have physical ones as well, and I can link the videos and blog posts for that in the caption too. And like I said, the reason that we do it is it's mainly for myself because I like to be able to look back and see what we've done. I do not have a good memory, so it's very helpful for me to have the pictures and the videos and stuff like that. Also, in case laws change or we move or whatever it is, I just feel like it's safer to have that kind of a backup. But Trello is so easy. If you do Trello, I recommend getting the app on your phone as well, because I do have the app on here, and then it makes it so easy. So here's the app on my phone. It makes it so easy to just upload things and to keep that portfolio. And you can have a portfolio for each kid, but I don't. We just have a family portfolio. And then you can also go back here to your main thing and see all of the boards that you've made. My time's about to run out here, so let's see if my computer will load in time to show you this really quickly. Check out the description for more and leave a comment if you have a question.